y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mila. This is a really quick unboxing video. So I ordered a lot of stuff from Shein and Amazon. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. All this stuff combined cost me less than $20. So I just wanted to show you guys all of these things. I'll make sure I leave the links below. Don't mind my little area. This is not my nail area. I just unboxed this on a little TV tray. So the first thing I got from Shein was this nail brush. It did come busted like this, but I really think it's because they shipped it in one of those flat packages. And yeah, so this is like one of those little fluffy nail brushes. I got these nail mats in pink. Now I did order black, but some kind of way I got pink, but that's fine. I got, sorry y'all, this is so unorganized. I got these nail forms from them as well. The one thing I look for with my nail forms when you're buying cheap is make sure that when they get here, the lines are actually symmetrical, because sometimes I have bought some that are more inexpensive and the lines are like all the way off. So got those. The next thing I got from Shein, I'm dropping stuff, was this nail plate. I like this one better because it is flat. It is flat on both sides, which I like because I had another one from Amazon and it was like kind of raggedy on the back. And so it would kind of move around a little bit from time to time. The other thing that I got was, I'm sorry y'all, like I said, this is super unorganized. I got another set of mats. Now, I did order these colorful ones because I kind of want to see which ones I like better. And then I ordered a black, but like I said earlier, they sent me a pink. And then I got this little damping dish. It's kind of cute. It's little. Everything I bought was kind of rainbowish so it can all match, because I recently bought a new acrylic brush and 3D brushes from Amazon. And if you haven't checked out my last video, and those were the same colors, just to kind of keep everything the same, because my new salon setup is going to be so beautiful. Y'all will see. And I got this little nail brush, and that's it for Shein. Okay, so I got all of this, and this was like literally $7. I got to include this butterfly ring, and it is for when you're doing nail gel nail designs. You just put it on your finger, put your gel on there, and it just makes your life a little bit easier. So yeah, there we go. And then from Amazon, I got these bits. Now that was probably the most expensive thing I bought, was these bits, but I like them a lot because these are really good for your natural nail. They don't damage. These are $2.40. These are my favorite for natural nails. They don't damage your nails, because people are always like, how do you just, you know, keep your nails so healthy? These are popped off nails. I didn't even soak them off, and you see, and I know that's a big no-no, but it's because I don't really damage my nail plate. And also my nails last. So yeah, that's that. Then I got these buffers. I like these because, as y'all know, I do hair as an occupation, but not nails. But from time to time, I will take a nail client, usually a family or friend. And I just like to be sanitary and everybody have their own. And I got these nail files. I love these because, I've already opened these, but you see how stiff they are? So when it comes to shaping, they do a really good job with shaping. So these also came from Amazon. And the last thing that I got was these orange wood sticks. Actually, this is not the last thing I got, y'all. It's not. I bought a whole bunch of stuff. Let me go get the other stuff and I'll be right back. I've already opened some of this stuff. I bought a pack of this nail glue. This is my favorite nail glue. And it came in, I think, a pack of like 20. And it's very inexpensive, but I love this glue. Also, I have used this, like I said, this is the acrylic brush. It comes with this cap. I haven't tried to put it back on since I used it last, but this is the acrylic brush that came with it. It doesn't need to be cleaned out, y'all. Don't judge me. But as you can see, I pretty much bought everything in the same color scheme because I want my nails set up to be, you know, you're going to see when it's all done. And then this is a 3D nail art brush. So you just pull this off. It comes with extra grips that you can adjust, so that way, you know, as you're working, if you need to move something around. And then this is one of the brushes. I have not used, I used that one, but I haven't used these two yet. This is the other one. This is the other shape of it. And let me show you the third one, which I have not used as well. And all of these, like I said, they came from Amazon on this end. There we And the very last thing that I bought was, the last thing I got was this nail lamp, okay? This one was like $13 when I purchased it. I'll make sure I link this as well. Guys, I like this one. Most of the time I get cheap nail lamps. They're horrible. I hate them. But I really want that Kiara Sky. But I didn't want to spend that money, just to be honest with you. So I saw this on Amazon. And I was like, oh, $13 is probably not going to work. But let me just go ahead and give it a shot. Gave it a shot. Absolutely love it. The back is kind of closed in. So I think it does a better job at curing the nails. I've already cured this hand, if you can't tell. It does a better job at curing the nails in terms of like thoroughly, because a lot of the times my nails are like, when you use a cheaper lamp, you don't always get the best cure, or either you're curing your nails for like, you know, 3-4 times. So this was a 30-second cure, and I think it did a very good job. So that is pretty much it. I will be posting a nail video probably next week for my birthday nails to show you guys what I'm doing with my nails, and that's it. But I'll leave everything in the description box, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.